Hello everyone, this is a very short video on dopamine. So to begin with, one must know about two tracts related to dopamine pathways. One is nigrostriatal and one is mesolimbic. And along with mesolimbic, you should know also mesocortical. Yeah, all of them are important. So if we talk about the nigrostriatal pathway, this is a short cross section of the midbrain I have drawn. So related to dopamine pathways tract, I've just pinpointed the main important structures in the midbrain. So this is a cross section of the midbrain. Here you can see the crust, and here is your location of the pineal gland over here. So this one is your this one is your tegmentum and this one is your tectum. So leaving that aside, the main thing is here I have drawn substantia nigra. Yeah, substantia nigra, it has compacta and reticularis. So what happens is from this compacta part, these are the neurons which are the dopaminergic neurons. What they do is they go till your striatum. Yeah, striatum is your caudate nucleus. Yeah, and along with your this thing lenticuliformis nucleus, lenticularis. Yeah, so lenticuliform nucleus, whatever. Yeah, so caudate nucleus and lenticuliform nucleus. So these neurons from your substantia nigra in the midbrain, they reach your this striatum. Yeah, over there they secrete dopamine. Yeah, they secrete dopamine. So here's a here is a sagittal section of that thing. So here is your midbrain, this thing. From here, this mesostriatal dopaminergic containing neurons, they reach till your caudate nucleus, and over here they secrete dopamine. Simple. So problem arises if suppose these pathways, these mesostriatal pathways or these dopaminergic neurons, they get affected, then they stop secreting dopamine, and due to that you can have many problems like your dyskinesia, extrapyramidal symptoms. Yeah, so it's all because of your less dopamine in these pathways, if suppose these pathways get injured or affected due to any pathology. So this one is your nigrostriatal pathway, sorry, and this one is your mesolimbic, again starting from your midbrain. Now here we are talking about the VTA area. Yeah, so this area is important because here also the cell bodies which are located, they reach in your limbic system. Yeah, that's why they are called mesolimbic. Meso from midbrain and limbic from limbic system. And limbic system, as you know, it can comprises of your hippocampus, hypothalamus and amygdala also. Yeah, so these are the three main important parts of your limbic system. So in limbic system, yeah, for example, hippocampus is related to your memory, hypothalamus related to your endocrine system, yeah, and your behavior, and amygdala, as you know, many psychopaths, they have problems with aggression. So amygdala is related to your aggression. So again, here I've drawn this thing, your striatum, but anterior to this striatum area, you have two nucleuses here which are called ventral striatum. Yeah, so these are the ventral striatums. So VTA can reach till ventral striatum too sometimes. And this was the mesolimbic system, and then we have the mesocortical. Now same thing happens from the midbrain, from the same area it can reach the cortical area, especially the prefrontal cortex. Yeah, which is very important. So these are your mesocortical, mesolimbic and your nigrostriatal. These all are related to your dopamine. Yeah, and if dopamine get affected or if it's increased, you have the psychosis, positive sign and symptoms, positive symptoms like rewarding yourself and getting a reward. So those kind of things. So dopamine is a very important neurotransmitter which plays a very important role in your body. Thank you.